Right, I just want to show you that this is the part that I received, and there's no signs of damage. Everything looks in good order, and yet I cannot get this to work with an SSD hard drive. Now what we have over here is my laptop, which I've had to kind of take apart to get this one, which I bought a couple of days ago off eBay. This is a working laptop. It's a lower spec version than mine, but chassis wise they're identical. So they're both DV6s, 6 something. I don't know what the 6 something is on this one, but anyway, so this is the one I've bought from eBay, and it's really weird. I just plug him in, clicks in nice. No, we can see that, but clicks in nice and tidy. More fingers and thumbs, so you have to bear with me. Just connect the SSD hard drive, there you go. So it's now connected. So just slot that in there. Again, excuse my fingers and thumbs. I'm just going to hit the power button, and we'll see what the screen says. Comes up with a message down there, and then it ends up with that message there. If I can sharpen that, there you go. Boot device not found. Please install the operating system on your hard disk. Now, what I'll do is I'll turn them off. Right, that's now off. And I'll swap data cables. So we'll unplug in from here. There you go. Okay, that's now there, and we use this one here. Now this one here is marked differently. This one is the original from my HP. I bought this laptop brand new, so they look identical apart from the label. I don't know if I can get my camera to sharpen. There you go. There. So that's what mine says, and this is what I think I've got to turn this the other way around actually. There you go. So that's the one I bought for eBay. So we'll go to mine, right, and we'll plug them in again. Okay. Please excuse my fingers and thumbs. I'm doing all this one-handed. Okay, so there we go. I've already got Windows 7 installed on this one, so we just hit the power button. Okay, you get that message, which is normal. Then it starts to boot Windows. So I can only assume that it's a faulty cable. There you go. Booting into Windows. So, whilst I can't see anything wrong with this data cable, in fact, what I'm going to do is just in the interest of just trying to turn the computer off, but we'll have to do it the hard way. Not ideal, wouldn't recommend this normally, but I want to show this, I want to show that I'm being thorough. So we'll unplug, we'll take that out, that goes back onto mine. We're now back with this one. And we'll see. Okay, nice and tight click. There you go, so he's now plugged back in. There you go. Not sure if this is coming out well enough, but there's the tab. So he's all A bit too close. There you go. So it's all nice and pressed in. Right. So now we'll switch back on. And there we go. Boot device not found. Now I'm thinking, I mean, I've never come across this problem before, but I'm thinking surely there's nothing in that data cable. The fact that it's a different data cable is not going to affect the boot device. I mean, I haven't heard of anything like that, and I'd be very surprised. To me, this is a faulty data cable. You know, it's not the laptop, clearly, and that data cable works, and yeah, go figure, eh? Alright, okay, I thought I'd just give you an update.